Tonight I used ChatGPT to produce HTML code for me. And I'm using it in Blogger right now. And I want you to see how it produced this code, and I'm able to tweak the code to use it to the way I want to use it, the way I like it. If you're not familiar with GPT, it is Generative Pre-trained Transformers. Okay, here we go. I have it opened already, and the question I write HTML code of 3 horizontal blocks. And I'm copying it. I'm going to Blogger. I already have it opened. I'm underneath posts for this one, okay? I'm going to tap it. I just put some content there. Underneath the title, you want to click that arrow. You either have Compose View or HTML View. You want HTML View. Why isn't this working? There we go. Of course, it acts differently when I'm recording. I'm just putting a little break there. I'm going to paste that code. I'm going to update it. Then I'm going to tap Preview. Now, it did that before. It's every time I record. I'm going to come over here and review it. Damn you. Oh, there you go. There's something wrong with it when I record. I keep going back to that. But you see block 1, block 2, block 3. That was the pre-made code from ChatGPT. Okay? Now, I want to show you something. I'm going to go back in here. Underneath the height, I'm going to, because I'm using it on another blog, this is just a testing blog to show you. Height, I put 250. Border, I want it all white because you can see the black border. So I'm going to type white. Then I'm going to come here, block 1, background color is light blue. I don't want that. I want white. I'm using a white background for the blog I'm working on now. White, and I'll leave the next one a color. But that's one way that you can tweak it. Now, Michelle, what are you going to do there? You see block 1 over here, block 2, and block 3? Well, that's where you place your code. Well, in this example, I opened up pet supplies. I typed in puppy toys. I'm going to open this up in a new tab. Give it a moment to upload. Custom is not working right now. They're not there yet. But text and image is. That I'm sure of, because that's what I'm using on a blog that I'm creating. You see that's already highlighted. I'm going to keep it as is. I'm going to copy. I'm going to go back to Blogger. And you see block 1 right here, block 1. I'm going to delete that and paste that Amazon code there. I'm going to tap Update. And I'm going to go back because it's being fussy because I'm recording, and I'm going to tap View. There you go. Do you see that, folks? Isn't that nice? That's sweet. That gives you a lot of freedom. That is allowing me to use something free and to give it more of a professional look and feel. You know what I mean? So I wanted to show you that because I'm writing about different topics that don't match my websites, and I guess it's like, I'm writing about life experiences. And I want to sell audiobooks and Audible and books from Amazon and other affiliate programs. And I want the books to match the topic of each blog that I'm creating to increase the odds of me earning a sale and, of course, eventually have the blog approved by Google AdSense so I can show ads on that blog, on the blogs. So that's why I'm showing you this. I just learned something. It writes code for you, and that's very specific. I wanted blocks to be horizontal. Couldn't figure it out. I was typing it by hand, and I went, why won't that work in Blogger? It's working in my WordPress. I know a little bit of tweaking. So I said, let me go there. Let me see if it can write me code and see if it works in Blogger. And it does. And that's just one example. I'm sure as far as your imagination can go, it probably can create the code for you. I wanted to share that. That's incredible. I'm really excited. Okay, guys, give a like, subscribe. I hope you appreciate the information I just shared. This is incredible. The opportunities are just endless. There's no cap. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.